how, high sugar can cause damage to organs, your major organs?
Yeah, the high sugar mainly damages in two ways. High sugar will increase the fat content in the body. Fat depositions will secrete, adipose tissues will increase. First of all, adipose tissues will secrete fatty acids in the blood, and these fatty acids will get deposited in various levels of the body, from the cellular level till the vascular level, we can say. In the cells, first of all, in the cell, on the wall, there are multiple receptors inside and outside. These receptors get damaged because of these byproducts of the adipose tissues. Second thing, in between there is a matrix from the cell to the blood vessels. This matrix is also affected, and blood vessel, inner layer of the blood vessel, this is affected. These three layers, when they are affected, are at risk of atherosclerosis, means the blood vessel individual, it gets hardened and plaques are formed. So this is the basic thing. Further, in the heart, small blood vessels will be affected. That will patient will increase the risk of coronary artery diseases. In kidneys, same, the blood vessels are harmed. Patient will develop nephropathy. In lower limbs, same, if the vessels are involved, so lower limb ischemia, delayed wound healing, nephropathy, neuropathy. These are the main complications. And in muscles, the fatty acids get deposited in the liver. It causes decreased tendency of muscles to absorb sugars. That's why muscle loss is also there. And in the heart even, fat is deposited. In liver, the fat gets deposited. That's why it can't sense the insulin plus the blood sugars. That further causes increased blood sugar levels.